Ngayon sa ating programa ay makakasama natin si Archie, isa sa mga anak ni Congressman Ferdy Villar. Welcome, Archie! Hindi ko na patatagalin pa. Laman ng mga balita ngayon ang aksidenteng kinasangkutan mo na may nadamay pa raw na isang bata. Ano ang masasabi mo dito?
Well, people make mistakes and hindi naman po ako exception dun, di ba? I'm so sorry sa family ng batang kinasangkutan ko dun sa accident. And I hope you're doing well now. Anyway, I would like to thank my dad, Congressman Ferdy, and my family so much for always giving me the support and the strength that I need as I face this controversy.
Archie, you have been involved in a number of road accidents over the years. But this time, allegedly, driving under the influence ka raw? Many people are saying na given the number of vehicular accidents you've been involved in, that your license should be permanently suspended.
Permanently suspended? Grabe naman po yun. Parang hindi naman po ako nagkakamali. Shouldn't I be given the chance to redeem myself? Yung iba nga po, ilang beses na pong nahuli, natikitan, but still they're given the chance to right their wrongs. Shouldn't I be treated the same way? Well, if you think about it, maybe it's because of my dad, Congressman Ferdy, that I'm not given the same chance. Because he's a public figure, we're a public family, na gano'n na lang po ba yun? Hindi po ba ako karapat-dapat for that chance? Well, I think the public should give me that chance, should give me that second chance.